To bend an entire tree, a worker turns a crank, two workers push the log, and the last worker places spacers to fix the log. And now, the wood bends. Watch this super powerful wood chipper decimate a log in seconds. The wood pulp is collected and used to make paper. Two metal clips turn a rotating block of wood into a perfect sphere. Be careful with this huge chainsaw that can cut dozens of wooden planks at once. Using a rotary lathe, a single master craftsman blade carves an ornate stair railing. From an ordinary log, this carpenter sculpts a mini pool and turns this log into a luxury table. The world's fastest wood processing machine removes bark from logs and cuts uniform plywood boards, which are removed for finishing. Watch this machine remove the bark from a log using rotating teeth before spitting out the entire log. This digger attachment drives four sharp blades into the ground and pulls out an entire tree from its roots. The tree can now be safely transplanted to another location. Dismantle a wooden pallet by scraping each layer of planks against a metal bar. Workers use a machine called a chopper to turn a log of wood into tiny pellets used to heat homes. This skilled craftsman cuts pieces from a block of wood and shapes it into the shape of a mushroom, which he paints with wood colors and a smiley face. These workers make planks and cut a plank of wood into small segments by manually pushing a heavy log on an electric saw. This log holder makes it easy to cut irregularly shaped logs with a chainsaw. This machine precisely cuts paper-thin sheets from a log used to make wood panels. Two blades that look like ice picks defend this log into regular pieces that will be used as firewood. This log splitter cuts a length of a log and pushes it through razor-shaped blades. These rotating blades easily turn a rectangular piece of wood into a perfect cylinder. This mini saw machine can help you to be a perfect carpenter.